Modern cars are amazing, but most are designed to fail. Modern cars look incredible, sleek lines, futuristic tech, everything feels premium. But here's the truth: no one talks about. Most of them are designed to fail. Not immediately, but just outside the warranty. Plastic parts where metal used to be, overcomplicated electronics that cost a fortune to fix, sealed components you're not even meant to repair. It's not an accident, it's a business model. Because if your car lasts forever, they lose money. So instead of building machines that endure, they build machines you'll eventually have to replace. Looks amazing today, but tomorrow, that's already planned. Modern cars are packed with electronic sensors, modules, computers controlling everything. Sounds advanced until one tiny thing fails. A single faulty sensor may be worth a few dollars, and suddenly your whole system shuts down. Warning lights everywhere, features disabled. Sometimes the car won't even run properly. And fixing it, it's not simple anymore. You're not replacing a part, you're diagnosing a network. One small failure, but it can bring the whole car down with it.
Here's the factory secret. Most cars aren't built to last forever. They're built to last just long enough to get past the warranty, long enough to feel reliable, long enough to keep you satisfied. And then things start adding up. Parts wear out, electronics fail, repairs get complicated and expensive, not always because the parts are rare, but because the systems are. So instead of fixing it, many people replace it. That's the turning point. When repair stops making sense, the buying again becomes the plan. Older cars were different. Simple engines, fewer electronics, parts you could actually see and fix. If something broke, you didn't need a computer, just basic tools and a bit of know-how. They were built to be repaired, not replaced. That's why so many are still on the road today, running strong after decades. No complex systems, no hidden failures, just machines designed to last and to keep going. Modern
Older cars were
aren't built
simple,
to last,
reliable,
they're
and easy to
built be
repair.
replaced.
That's why many still
Everything
run
looks
today.
perfect at first, smooth, quiet, high-tech, but underneath, it's a different story. Complex systems, expensive parts, repairs that don't make sense over time. So when something major fails, you're faced with a choice: fix it or move on. And more often than not, replacing it feels easier. That's not by accident, it's by design. Because in today's world, cars aren't made to stay forever. They're made to be upgraded.